All right, we are finished with another step with the drag harrow once again. I had to let this dirt dry out just a little bit so that it could get fluffy and soft, on the surface. But the freaking drag harrow is so simply awesome. This thing is like a rake on steroids, and it can stir up the surface, lighten it up basically. But it also drags the debris that was on the top, which is all this mess here. Sticks and pine needles, leaves, little rocks. It just drags it all off. So amazing. And it smooths out the terrain. This was very uneven before and kind of bumpy in a lot of spots. All really smooth now. Thoroughly impressed with the drag harrow. But you can see the surface, it's nice and soft. It's ready for me to put down the grass seed now, which I'll do, with a little push spreader. And then we'll pack that down with a cultipacker that I have also, and that should seal it in nicely. Then I can start watering it for a few days. And by golly, we should get some grass growing over here. This yard used to be, it was okay, but it didn't have any real grass. It was like crabgrass and whatever bullcrap seed was put out there as the years have gone on. Well, we're going to get some grass here now. This has taken me, probably 3 days off and on, but not all that difficult of labor when you got a decent little tractor with gotta have some good tires on it. Otherwise, I'd have definitely gotten stuck trying to go up this grade here, pulling that stuff. I would have easily gotten stuck. Didn't happen with this thing. Anywho, it is coming along, and next we're gonna put out the grass seed.